Norso Vision, a globally recognized state university. Norso Mission, Negros Oriental State University delivers global excellence through advanced instruction, impactful research, and sustainable extension. With strategic partnerships and modern infrastructure, shaping effective leaders to serve the Philippine society and the world. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commits to delivering quality instruction, research, extension, and production. We ensure compliance with all statutory and regulatory requirements and continuously work to improve our management system to meet our quality objectives. Core values: shine. S. Spirituality. H. Honesty. I. Innovation. And nurturance. E. Excellence. Strategic goals. Negros Oriental State University will aspire. Achieve global recognition by program excellence. Strengthen research through impactful innovation. Promote, enhance community extension services. Integrate partnerships and international leadership. Revitalize infrastructure with operational system. Enrich student life and leadership opportunities.